All right, all right, all right. Let's talk about the L that was dropped on my face today. All right, so we swept the London highs, right? We started chopping around here a little bit. I tried to grab a short somewhere in here and got wicked out right here. Okay, we pushed down. I tried to grab another short and then I got pushed out again. Okay, honestly, on the lower time frame, that those were okay. Those trades were not such a big deal. Okay, they're just losses, right? It was this one that I really want to talk about because this is the one that I was like, that's what I get for going outside of my business plan. Okay, so when we came into this trade right here, we inverted this fair value gap. Once we inverted it and pushed down, I went ahead and got in the trade. Okay, and because I had a mindset of getting back my trades, I was kind of revenge trading in my mind. I over leveraged. Okay. So, as to not hit my personal loss limit for my funded account, I put my stop like at the fair value gap. Okay. Usually I do not do that. Okay. And then this is what I get. Okay. I get stopped out in my trade. And then this is what I end up getting. Okay. Like, as you guys know, if you've been watching the markets today, that would have been a crazy, crazy, crazy trade. So that's okay. Sometimes we get L's dropped right on our face, and that happens. Okay, but I want to share this and I want to be honest. Guys, if I had stepped in for my third swing of the day and I had put my stop loss where I normally put it, right? This would have been a crazy trade because I'm telling you, I just made a video about stop loss management and I would have caught almost all of this. Okay, not with the whole trade, but it would have been a fantastic trade. Okay, so I'm not like beating myself up over it. I'm not worried about. I know this stuff happens, right? But I told you guys that I was going to share my W's and I was going to share my L's. Okay, and this was kind of a hard L because if I had done what I normally did, it wouldn't have been such a big deal. But because I ended up hitting too many contracts and entering too heavy, I moved my stop, right? And I really wish I had just left it alone, but that's okay. I even said in one of my videos that, it's better just to sell them actually to get your risk to reward or to get your stop loss to the number you want, right? I should have sold like a couple of contracts instead of leaving the position in so heavy because then I could have moved my stop where I wanted it. But instead I allowed that decision to be like, "Oh, I know it's going to tank. I know it's going to." And you know what? It did. I just had that feeling. I honestly didn't expect this much. I was definitely expecting Asia low, like no problem. Um, and then potentially these lows and these lows, but that was really about it. We ended up having a nice little turtle soup down here as well. But yeah, I just wanted to share that L with you and to talk about how, I allowed the over, just dumping too many contracts, leveraging a little too hard, and then going, oh, I got to have proper risk management. Let me move my stop where I'm not going to risk too much. Well, the problem is the market structure that I was trading did not allow for a stop that close. Okay. So, one, I should have had to wait for a retracement into this fair value gap, which I didn't think we were going to get because it was dropping so hard. Okay. Or I should have just put the proper amount of risk on the trade and then moved the stop where it was supposed to go. All right. So I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope my L's, I hope you learned something from them. And I will see you in the next video.